WazirX is a popular exchange in India. It has been acquired by the big international exchange Binance. To create your WazirX account, click on Sign Up, enter your email and password. Please always choose a strong password. Click on the verify link in the email that you would have received from WazirX. Now choose your two-factor code preference. My recommendation is to choose Authenticator app, but if you don't know what that is, just choose mobile SMS. I will cover this later. Enter your mobile number and the OTP. Select your country. Now it shows that you can do a few things even without KYC, but I do not recommend that. I also tried to deposit INR and it does not let me. So just go ahead to finish your KYC first. Now enter your details and your PAN card and other documents that they have requested. They will also ask you to take a pic with your Aadhaar card, so go ahead and do that. Once you submit, they will verify the docs and approve your account in a couple of days. Also submit your bank account details right now. Go to Funds, next to Rupee click Deposit and submit your bank account details here. When you're saving your bank account details, they will ask you to enter the two-factor code, which in this example will be mobile SMS, so enter that. Once your account is approved and you click on Deposit, you will see their deposit options. Select one of the options and proceed to make payment from your bank account to WazirX's bank account. In this example, it is giving a warning that the account is not yet verified, but you can see their bank account details here. So while your account is being verified, you can add this bank in your payee list as there is a cooling period before you can make a payment to a new payee, so you will save that time. Once you have transferred money, you will receive a notification from them that they have credited your Rupee account in WazirX. Then go to exchange and go in this area here to buy Bitcoin. You can enter the amount you want to buy in Bitcoin, but generally you would enter the amount in rupees and then click buy. By default, it takes the current lowest rate from the orders on the exchange. You can enter a slightly higher rate if you are buying a bigger quantity and if you want to make sure that the order is executed on the spot. You can also click on lowest rate to update the rate to the current lowest rate on the exchange. In most cases, the order should be executed instantly and it would show up here in completed orders. If the order is not executed because the rate is lower than what's available on the exchange, then the order will be visible under open orders till it is executed. If it is in open orders, you can always click on the order and cancel it before it is executed. Once the order is executed, that means you've bought your Bitcoins on WazirX. So go ahead and open your account with WazirX and buy your first Bitcoin.